All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We are back with Chris Webby, and yes, we are back. I say back because we had him before on this channel many times. We had him on the song called Moosehead. We had Baggage with Ren, and he also had a song Jax Taylor with Grief. So yeah, he's back with us, and this time we have Razor's Edge. All right, so Razor's Edge, we're gonna use a capo to handle the song. We're gonna put the capo on 3rd fret, and with that we have 4 chords that rolls in the same order through the entire song. So let's go into the chords first. We're gonna look into the G, and that will be to play 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Next chord is a bar chord. It's the B7. So you place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings there, all strings except for the last E string in the bass. And then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on B. We have the E minor 7 next. All right. You're gonna use all strings here, and all strings will be open except from the 2nd fret A string. All right. So 2nd fret A, and all the other strings are open. And then we had a final chord, the C. And that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And that will be the chord progression through the entire song. Now we can handle this chords or this melody in different ways. We're gonna look into the melody first and then into the strumming. So let's do this chord by chord starting with G. It goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play the 3rd fret E string in the bass together with open B. And then you can do a clap there. And then comes that part, and it will be 3rd E, open B, and then again 3rd E and open B. And then you go with the open G. Okay? That open G you can pick, or you can just neglect it and play a clap instead. It's up to you. The beat goes right on that point. So either you go with the open G note or you just hit clap. Okay, that's the G part. Next into the B7. I suggest you hold it like this, index finger on the 2nd fret A string and your mid finger or on the 2nd fret G. You're gonna play it this. Okay, and that is to play 2nd fret A together with 2nd G. Then comes the clap. Then comes 2nd A again. Then 2nd G. And repeat that, 2nd A, 2nd G. And then you have this part. And it's played on the G string, the 4th fret G string, and 2nd G. If you want, you can replace the 4th G with a clap, because the clap or the beat goes right on that point. So either you play the 4th or you play the clap instead and then the 2nd fret G string. All right, so that is the B7 part. Now into the E minor 7 part. I'm gonna play this. Okay, so that is to play open E string in the bass together with open G. Then comes the clap, and then comes this part. And you play open E string, and then open G. You repeat that again, open E, and open G. Then comes the final 2 notes. It's the 2nd fret A, and then open D. And that 2nd A, you can replace that with a clap as well. Again, the beat goes exactly at that point. So either play or it's up to you. So that is the E minor 7 part. Now into the final C, and it goes like this. Okay, so that is to play 3rd fret on A string together with 1st B. Then comes the clap, and then comes 3rd A and 1st B for 2 times. So 3rd A, 1st B, 3rd A, 1st B. and then you have the final note left, and from that third A, you just slide up to fifth A. And a pause after that, and that's the end of the melody. Either you go up to the fifth A, or you replace that note with a clap. So, or it's up to you. That is the melody, and it sounds like this together. Alright, so I slipped on one note there. Doesn't matter. If you just continue, it sounds great anyway. So that is what you're gonna do. Practice and train and be better than I am. That's the mission. It's very, very reachable. Anyway, that is the melody part. Now into the strumming. So we have one string pattern that works for the song. And yeah, it goes like this. Okay, you're gonna start with 2 downs. Then comes down, up, down. And then down, down, up. And if you put this together, it will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And a couple of rounds. And you're going to play one of these string rounds per chord. G, B7, E minor 7, C goes like this. All right, so you can also replace 2 downs here in the string with claps instead. So if you want to hit the beat a little more than just the rhythm, then it goes down, and then the second down there, you replace that with clap. So it will be down, clap. Then comes the down, up, down part. And then the next down, you're going to play the down, down, up. That down, you're going to replace that with a clap as well. And then finish off with down, up. So one string around will be down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. And you can play that in the same way, one string around per chord through entire song. And that pretty much covers Chris Webby's Razor's Edge. All right, hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if you did, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. I work a lot for you guys, so yeah, really appreciate everything I can get back from you. So hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.